Ryan and I are just having a quick sticky beak at the map because we might struggle with the tide. So we're probably going to ditch the Blue Lagoon, which is further up north. We're going to go down south now and just hit the gutter bar, oysters. It's going to be good.
And there's a lake down there apparently too.
Yeah.
To check out.
What's it called?
What's that called?
Mirapool.
Mirapool.
That'd be sick.
Mirapool. And we'll be less rushed. So let's just take it easy.
And just enjoy.
Take our time.
Yeah.
And enjoy.
There's also sand dunes.
Oh.
And it's just packed full of things here, so.
We're going down south. We're taking it south.
Legend.
Where are we going?
Alright, that's the plan. Alright, let's do it, eh? How good's the track, boys? Do you love it?
Yeah.
It's cool, eh?
I like it.
We just rocked up to Mirapool Lake. Looks sensational, doesn't it?
It looks very inviting. Super keen to get in there and just really embody it all.
Look, we're here, so we're just going to do it.
We're going to do it anyway.
And then we're going to head over to the gutter bar for a feed. It's going to be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we just came out of the stagnant water.
Yeah, it wasn't as lovely as it looked.
We tested it out though for the team.
Yeah, that's it. Jugger put his head in. Probably gonna get sick now. But
See how we go.
We'll get through it.
And at least we've got that beautiful ocean.
Oh, exactly.
It's gonna be
Abundance.
amazing.
We've got abundance of ocean.
That's
We're
it.
gonna get in there.
I'm loving it.
Oh yeah.
Let's get it done. Exactly what I needed. Oh, mate. Who needs a gutter bar when you can go out there, catch a fish and just eat it in the ocean? Love it. Tell you what, I think it's time to head off to the gutter bar. We've had a good time here. Everyone's had a bit of a swim. And yeah, let's get going. Just freshened up a bit there at Mirapool. It was Mirapool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh well, the lake is Mirapool, the lagoon.
Yeah.
Well, we went in the ocean.
Yeah, went in the ocean there. There was a stack of filleted fish. Don't know if anyone caught them in that spot, but it is a green zone. The rangers said you can't fish here. They thought we actually caught those fish and just gutted and filled them there, but yeah, we didn't. So anyway, if you're in that Mirapool lagoon or lake area, you can't actually fish. It is a green zone. It is protected. So there you go. Off to the gutter bar.
Okay, so here we are with the team, fantastic Airbag Man team. We're right at the world famous gutter bar on the south end of Moreton Island. How fantastic is this? And Benny's just arrived.
And it's my birthday. Oh!
So we've just finished up here at the Gutter Bar, and now we are going to go head over and get some. Alright, let's go again.
Go Ronald! Go Ronald!
He's got the pressure on her.
Yeah, boy.
Alright, so we've just finished up here at the Gutter Bar, and now we're gonna go off along the tracks to go get some oysters and yeah, find some sand dunes. Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
My birthday, we got the oysters, we're gonna go back to the campsite, might check out the sand dunes on the way through and have these at sunset. Keen. We've just rocked up at the big sand hills. Have a look at it. It looks small from here, but it is absolutely just massive. It's just massive. We just went up one of the biggest sand dunes, I think, on Moreton Island. The views were spectacular, 360 views of the whole island. And the bloody twins went up there. What little legends. So good, they loved it. Now for the oysters.
We've just got back to camp after an amazing day running all over the dunes. We picked up some fresh oysters and really excited to get stuck into them. But before, jump back in that ocean.
We've got a beautiful sunset about to happen. We've got the Moreton Bay oysters. Can't wait to get stuck into these. Wayne, who runs that joint, has given his fresh, organic oranges that we picked off the tree. We're gonna spray some of that on there, spray or drip. Like that, look at that. So good. Maybe put some chilies on, some Celtic sea salt, and then we'll get into it. Let's go, guys, come on. Yes! Yesterday my birthday was unreal, great people around me. Today we are finally going to make our way to the Blue Lagoon. It is going to be pristine conditions, can't wait.
We're on our last day here at Moreton. It's just been the most amazing trip over here. We've had the perfect weather and we're going to check out the Blue Lagoon. Just super excited for that.
Fizzed up for that last day. Let's go.
Let's go. Here we are, the Blue Lagoon. It's not as clear as it was last time we went, but it's still going to be beautiful. Water's nice and fresh. Keen as. There we go, guys, that's a wrap for this episode. Make sure you like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below on your favourite part. How about my birthday bonanza? It was pretty good, eh?
Absolutely fantastic. We got up to all the mischief, with all the toys, all the fun. It's just been awesome to be a part of it again.
Bloody awesome. Now, last episode, we popped this ball, so we're going to give it another go. Make sure it doesn't happen.
Okay, just take it easy.
Let's do it.
2 PSI. Yeah, that's good.
Oh my gosh! That's it.
You beauty!
Yes, I was worried.
Right, that's just perfect, hey?
Bang!
One more and that would have been gone, eh?
I know, dude. That's great.